Keena, and welcome back to The Antidote, the cannabis cooking show that makes medicating delicious. And today, we'll be medicating Tuscan salmon. I told y'all I am excited that it's spring. I'm excited to be using more fresh flavors, fresh herbs, and vegetables and things like that. So this one is gonna be delicious. The ingredients you need for this recipe are salt, pepper, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of chopped basil, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 pounds of fresh salmon, 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes, 2 cups of fresh spinach, and 4 ounces of heavy cream. And to medicate this recipe, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of cannabis-infused olive oil. And if you're new to cannabis cooking and you've never made cannabis olive oil, check the link below for my Cannabis Cooking 101 online course, and that will get you started. All right, guys, let's get started on our cannabis-infused Tuscan salmon. All right, to get started, we're going to heat our cannabis olive oil over medium-high heat. Now the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and add the salmon fillet. Season your salmon fillets with salt and pepper and allow it to cook for 6 minutes on the first side. Now that the salmon has been removed from the pan, we're going to use the same pan and add the butter and garlic and allow those to cook for 1 minute. Next, we're going to add our cherry tomatoes and then we'll cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now add your fresh spinach to the tomatoes until the spinach starts to wilt. Now that the spinach is wilted, it's time to add the cream, the Parmesan, and the fresh basil. Allow the sauce to simmer for 3 minutes on low heat. Now we'll add our salmon fillets back to the sauce and allow that to simmer, continuing on low for 3 more minutes. Now that I've got my salmon plated, I'm gonna top it with a little bit more sauce, because that's where our cannabis is. I'm gonna add a little bit more fresh basil just for garnish, and then I'll be ready to eat. All right, it's time to taste. That is really good. That cream sauce is perfect. All right, guys, that's a wrap on Tuscan salmon. I'm gonna get out of here so I can have lunch, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe these videos because they really do help, and I really do appreciate it. I'll see y'all next week on The Antidote. Bye.